Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make Cortana search using Firefox and Google Search instead of Edge and Bing. So, first up, you want to go to the link I have in the description and on the screen right now and download Edge Deflector. Download the exe file, install it. So basically, once Edge Deflector is installed, it will redirect Cortana's requests to open Edge and instead open whatever browser you selected as your default browser in the Windows settings. In my case, this is Firefox. So when you search in Cortana, it will now open your default browser instead of Edge, but it will still search with Bing. So for this, you need an extension on whatever browser you're using. They're probably different, but for Firefox, you can use Bing to Google and go and install that, and that will basically redirect any requests for the Bing search engine to the Google search engine. So now when you search in Cortana, it will open your default browser and search with Google search. So that should be it. And thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and sub if you liked it, and thanks for watching.